Hi everyone, Amy Bonifant back here for the 30 Days of Shnier campaign, and I'm here to present to you one of our newly relaunched laminate lines called Solidarity. Solidarity will help to elevate any residential space with a blend of modern elegance, exceptional value, and unmatched durability. Featuring new on-trend colors with an ultra matte finish, it delivers a realistic, natural look that complements any style. The high-performance Uniclick locking system, enhanced with a wax edge treatment, ensures superior joint integrity as well as effortless installation and repairs. Designed to withstand everyday life, its scratch and scuff-resistant surface layer is inherently antimicrobial, promoting a cleaner, healthier home. Built for active lifestyles, this flooring resists staining and fading, maintaining its beauty for years to come. This product is available in different sample and merchandising formats, including our Richmond Tower program, chain sets, and architectural folders. Contact your Shnier representative for sample requests, and for more information on this exciting new product, please visit richmondflooring@shnier.ca. This is the new Shnier, sharing 30 days of people, products, and purpose.